XS cultural impact. Okay ba? It involves religion, language, and identity. First, language. Spanish colonization introduced Spanish words into Filipino language, though the Spanish language did not become widespread. The American period established English as a second official language, widely used in educational and business today. Religion. Catholicism was spread by the Spanish and is now the dominant religions, deeply influencing Filipino cultures, traditions, and festival. Example, the first documents of Catholic Mass in the Philippines was held on March 31, 1521. Next is identity. Filipino identity has been shaped by both colonizers and indigenous cultures, creating a blend of Asian, Spanish, and American influences visible in music, arts, and cuisine. For example, Fiesta celebration, Spanish and American cuisine, music and arts. So our findings: the Philippines colonial history significantly shaped its currently socio-economics and cultural landscape. Colonial legacies such as colonialized power, resource exploitation, and inequality still impact effect of country today. However, Filipino people have created a unique identity, blending both indigenous traditions and colonial influence. That's all. Thank you.